Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you how to change the always on display style on this phone. First, let's open the settings on our phone. Then in settings find the option called home screen, lock screen and style and tap on it. And here scroll through the menu and find the always on display and tap on it. And right here, turn on the always on display if you want to change the settings for it. And here we have three different modes. We have classic, seamless and full screen. And you can also customize it a bit, or rather the classic one, you can basically make it more personalized. To do it, scroll down and here we can select like a style. As you can see, we have text and image text, a bit emoji, custom patterns and canvas, but you can also select like a predefined ones, as you can see. We have digital clock, insight and stuff like that, so you can customize it a bit. Let's say I want to have a text and image, so we can tap on text and image, select the image we want to use, for example this one. Then we can tap on the check mark to confirm, and now we can edit our always on display. We have the image, which we can move around basically, because the whole picture won't fit on the screen. So we can basically zoom in, zoom out and move around, and whatever is going to be in this like highlighted box, like this maybe, is going to be on our always on display. Then we have the option to round the corners, image blur. We can enter the text. Once you enter the text, you can also change the color of the text. Okay, you can increase the text size. We can change the text weight. We can change the position of the text, character pacing, location, and line spacing. And once you're done, you can tap on apply. And now if you lock the screen and wake it up, it should look like this. It's not the prettiest because you can make it a lot better if you want to, but that's the basics basically. And your project will be saved here, and you can switch between them quickly if you want to, like that. And of course, you can use any of these options right here, like canvas and stuff like that. So if you want to play with it, I recommend it. And the predefined system ones, you can simply tap on one. Okay, and here we have like pictures or animations even, and you can change the text color, and then you can apply it. And now, if we tap on the screen, we should have this little animation on the screen. Okay, and that's how you change the always on display style on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.